Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all chicken chow mein recipe. Please do watch video until then. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to eat your work. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई आज भने तपाईँहरूमा आजमा मैले चिकन चाउमिनको रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त रेस्टुरेन्ट स्टाइल चिकन चाउमिन रेसिपी स्मोक ओइल balanced and perfect for hotel, Chinese kitchen or cloud kitchen use. Chicken chow mein restaurant style yield 2 to 3 portion. Ingredients: noodles and chicken. Egg noodles or Hakka noodles 250 gram, chicken julienne boneless thigh or breast 200 gram, oil 3 tablespoon. Vegetable julienne cut, onion half cup, cabbage 1 cup, carrot half cup, capsicum half cup, spring onion greens 2 tablespoon. Chicken marinade: soya sauce 1 teaspoon, corn flour 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1 pinch, oil half teaspoon. Chow mein sauce: dark soy sauce 1.5 tablespoon, light soy sauce 1 tablespoon, oyster soy sauce 1 tablespoon, vinegar or rice vinegar 1 teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon, stock or water 3 tablespoon, sesame oil half teaspoon, MSG optional, restaurant style 1/4 teaspoon. Method: wok style, prepare noodles, boil noodles in salted water till 90% is cooked. Drain, rinse with the cold water, toss with the 1 teaspoon oil. Marinate chicken: mix chicken with the marinade. Rest 15 to 20 minutes, stir fry high flame, heat, wok until smoke hot, add oil, add chicken, stir fry 1 or 2 minutes until white and cooked. Remove chicken, keep aside, toss base, add little bit oil if needed, add onion, carrot, cabbage, capsicum, toss 30 to 40 seconds, veg should be crunchy. Combine, add noodles, add chicken, pour chow mein sauce, toss high flame 1 or 2 minutes, finish with the sesame oil or spring onion. Variation: street style chow mein, add chili sauce and ketchup. American chow mein, thicker gravy. Dry chow mein, less stock. Spicy chow mein, add chili oil. Commercial notes: pre-boiled noodles can be stored 24 hours. Sealed sauce can be pre-mixed for consistency. Cost effective, fast moving item. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always visit my profile. Have a look. Many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. जहाँ हुन्छ जता हुन्छ स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्, मस्त रहनुहोस्, व्यस्त रहनुहोस् र आफ्नो जिन्दगीलाई चाहिँ खुलेर जिउन नबिर्सनु होला भन्न चाहे मैले. See you next in the video. Love you all. Ciao.